Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, my name is Jamal, and I'm here with Somali Unified Youth and Young Muslims Mass Columbus chapter. And what I want you to picture is, say you're watching TV one day, and you see LeBron's commercial for his new shoes, or Michael Jordan, or whatever. And he says, as soon as you get these shoes, you're going to be breaking ankles, you're going to be crossing people, dunking people, and these are the most comfortable shoes out there. You're going to run 100 miles, whatever. As soon as you get those shoes, your ankles get broken. People crossing you over. Those shoes are heavy, and they're junk. They're useless, right? They didn't live up to the purpose which you got them for. You're going to throw them away, right? What I want you to consider is that the purpose means the reason for which something exists, or it's done, or made, used, etc. Right? That's the meaning of purpose. And the meaning of life is that which constitutes all the actions did by an individual or being in its existence. What am I saying? Life, we're living on earth for a purpose. The medical meaning for life is the quality that distinguishes a functional plant or animal from a dead body. Right? And it's ironic that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said the difference between somebody who remembers his Lord and the one who doesn't remember him is like that of the living and the dead. Okay? So, if you're not living up to your purpose, what does Allah say? Allah says, I created jinn and humankind only that they might worship me. Right? That is our purpose. And if we're not living up to our purpose, we're literally dead. Right? Spiritually. And if we're not living up to our purpose, what? Do we gain anything? Right? Allah says, وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ. By time, man is in loss. And a surah ahead of that, Allah says, أَلْهَاكُمُ التَّكَاثُرُ. Your abundance diverts you. And in the end of that surah, Allah says, everybody will be questioned for all the blessings that they received. And what's the biggest blessing that we receive that we don't appreciate the most? It's time. We have time on this earth. We're alive, right? And one sheikh said that everything you do, it's either for you or against you. Every moment that you're on this earth, it's either that Allah is pleased with you or He's not pleased with you. What I want you to comprehend is that Allah created us for a purpose, and if we do not live up to that purpose, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us for, do we have the rights to complain, saying, why is this haram? Why is that haram? Why do I have to wear hijab? Why can't I talk to girls? Why? Right? Think about that. We're here for a purpose. Everything on earth is here for a purpose. Allah says, amongst the creation and the heavens and the earth and the changes of the night and the day are signs for people who have wisdom. Right? You have to think about this stuff. All this, Allah says, everything on earth glorifies Allah. Right? Another ayah, Allah says, الَّذِي خَلَقَ الْمَوْتَ وَالْحَيَاةَ لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ أَيُّكُمْ أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا. We have not created life and death to see who is best in deeds. Allah is all powerful and the most is the forgiver of sins.